Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model this pigeon. I'm going to model it and also texture it in Blender. This is very simple model. So today I'm going to model this pigeon in Blender. So let's start. Hello friend, that's it. So this was the image I was using, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.